Hello guys, welcome again to Earn Money at Home Worldwide, and right now we will discuss a new video, and this is a video tutorial and part of 101 trading tips. So right now our video topic for tonight is about HeiKen Ashi candles and the strategy using the HeiKen Ashi and the 𝗵𝗵 plus the rising wedge. So we will now go to our share screen and we will discuss about the HeiKen Ashi. So HeiKen Ashi candles is one of us very easy candles, another type of candles that most traders use. So it's easier to spot and help the traders to remain longer in trade. Bakit? Kasi mostly makikita mo dito sa HeiKen Ashi, pagka green siya, uptrend or advancing. Pagka red siya, declining or downtrend. So you can filter noise. And even the foreshadow reversal, we will discuss it, yung mga shadow o dun sa normal candle, ang tawag doon yung wick, no, yung buntot. So makikita natin yan dito sa HeiKen Ashi. Iba rin siya compare sa normal candles. So we will discuss 5 important things in HeiKen Ashi. Then we will move to our trading strategy with the HeiKen Ashi and 𝗵𝗵 or EMA strategy, plus with the pattern of rising wedge or falling wedge. So first of all, once you see a green candles, it signifies an uptrend. So punta tayo guys, we will go now to our chart. Okay, as you can see in our chart, we'll go to Ethereum. Okay, this is our Ethereum. As you can see, on the upper right side of our trading view, there are normally different type of candles that you can use. Okay, we have the normal candles, the hollow candles, and we have the HeiKen Ashi. So I put it as one of my favorite, the HeiKen Ashi, and this is in the lower part, so most left part of my screen on the choices of the candles. So as you can see here, once na ang HeiKen Ashi natin ay green candles, makikita mo dyan green lahat majority. So uptrend tayo, pataas. Okay? Once na yan ay pababa, mostly makikita mo yung red niyan. Okay? So that is our HeiKen Ashi. So green candles with no lower shadows indicate a strong uptrend. So ano ba ibig sabihin yan? Normally yan yung tinatawag nating wick sa normal candle. Okay? Or kung mapapansin mo dito, wala siyang shadow. Shadow ang tawag doon sa buntot na yan. Makikita ito. Shadow yan. So, primarily, pagka-uptrend, makikita mo, strong uptrend, walang shadow siya. May maliligaw na maliliit na kaunti, pero primarily, ang buntot niya nandito. Okay? So, this is an uptrend sa HeiKen Ashi candles. That is, you should remember that. Okay, now, candles with a small body surrounded by upper and lower shadow indicates a trend change. So once na nakakakita kayo ng parang alam natin yan is price build up, okay? There is a possible change nan. Okay? Nagkakaroon ng changes. Small body siya, tapos both upper and lower may mga buntot siya. So there is a possible change, or as you can see, tapos na yung ranging or yung consolidation ng market. Okay? So, kung makikita nyo dito, up siya, and then nagkaroon ng ranging, and then it goes up. And normally, sa mga higher time frame, if you will go to the higher time frame, mas makikita natin yung mga galawan siya. Okay, so, yan, pataas siya, nagkaroon ng ranging, small body, maraming mga shadows. Okay, and there is also a change in the daytime frame. As you can see, mas makikita mo ngayon dyan yung change ng trend with this one. Okay, katulad nito, sa area na to, nagkaroon na ng change of trend. Kasi nagkalat na yung ating maraming mga shadows. And then, nagpalit na rin ng kulay. So, that is a change of trend. Okay, so, klaro tayo dyan. We'll move to our next point about HeiKen Ashi. So, the next point that we have to discuss is about the red candles, meaning downtrend siya. Okay? So, ganun din, similar. Pag yung taas naman niya, there is no shadow, higher shadow, and it means that it identify a strong downtrend. So, if there is no higher, as you can see here, okay, walang higher shadow, walang buntot sa taas. Lahat nandito sa baba. Okay? So, that is an downtrend tayo. So, declining ang ating trend. Now, we will move to one pattern that normally we use, yung rising wedge. Ang kabaliktaran niyan, falling wedge, makikita nyo mamaya. So, bearish pattern that begins with wide and a bottom contact. So, makikita nyo yan, normally gumagawa tayo ng support and resistance. Paggawa natin ng support and resistance, medyo nagdidikit sa dulo. Okay? Tapos pataas. So, it's a possible rising wedge, and this is a bearish pattern actually that begins in wide and the bottom and contract as prices move higher in the trading range. Now, we can have a continuation pattern sa rising wedge or reversal pattern, but we will not discuss this right now. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo yung mga possible mangyari kasi we have to look for the breakout. So, we will move now to our strategy and what is the importance of this strategy. Even the crossover sa wedge natin pagkatapos ng breakout, and it should be with the help of our EMA, moving average na 50 na gagamitin natin. So, now, this is our trade plan. We have 10 points that we have to identify in this trade plan. And after this, we will move to our actual chart to see our trade plan if it is really working. So first of all, we need an HeiKen Ashi candles in this trade plan. Okay. And then after that, you have to know the trend. Nasaan ba ang trend? So the 50 MA will help you to know the trend. Once na pataas ang trend, syempre ang price action natin nasa taas. Okay? And then majority of course ay green. And after that, you can see a pattern of the rising wedge. Now, we will have, kunyari nakakita ka na ng rising wedge. Okay? So it should be at least nag-bounce siya doon sa ating resistance 2 times. 1, 2, or 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Similar din sa support, ganun din. At least nag-bounce siya ng 2 times na. And then after that, our fifth is yung contraction. So makikita nyo yan na nag-a-advance na, lumiliit na yung galaw ng ating price action. And then the breakout. So normally, support breakout yan. Magkakaroon na ng breakout sa support. And this is a bearish confirmation. Kasama dyan sa breakout is makikita nyo rin yung volume lumalaki doon sa breakout na yon. Pero umpisa niyan, malaki sa una, then makikita nyo nagde-decline yung prices pati yung volume niya. Later on makikita. And also, isa sa criteria natin, kapag ka nagkaroon ng breakout sa support, dapat magkakaroon din ng breakout sa EMA. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kung nasa upper side ang price action, magko-cross na siya. Makikita rin natin. So, yung profit target natin, normally sinusukat nila to, itong pinaka-umpisa ng wedge, then inilalagay nila dito. Okay, yan yung classic na trading strategy sa rising wedge. Ang stop loss dito sa pinakataas, pero mayroon ako ibang mga idea na or ibang advice na pwede nyong gawin sa stop loss. Okay? So we will now move to our actual chart. So first of all, we need an HeiKen Ashi candle. So we'll go to 1 hour. Okay, yan yung ating 1 hour. And then kailangan, ano yung mga importante? Dapat may volume ka, naka-on ng volume mo. Meron din tayong EMA, 5 MA. Okay, so sa ngayon nakalagay dito yung 50 MA ko, okay, and volume. Pagkatapos niyan, puntahan natin yung rising wedge. Sa isang rising wedge muna tayo. So this is an example of a rising wedge. So una, ano yung sabi natin? At least kailangan nag-bounce siya ng dalawa. Actually, dito tatlo. Consider nyo pagka grupo na bounce na ganyan, you should consider it as far as 1. Okay? So at least 2. So it bounced already third time on our resistance ng rising wedge. Okay. So now, where will you go for the entry? What will be your entry? First of all, there is a breakout in our support. So valid 1. And then you should remember that there should be a breakout in 𝗵𝗆, which this is the breakout. As you can see here, it crossed our 𝗵𝗆50. So, which is the last breakout, yun ang magiging possible entry nyo. Pero take note, guys. Okay, take note. Minsan, there is a small pullback here. Okay, you can wait for this pullback and then enter. Okay, yung pullback, yan yung, for example, this is a resistance, nag-break out, magre-retest muna siya bago bumaba. Okay? That is the meaning of pullback or retest. Magre-retest muna siya. So may maliit na retest yan, especially in lower time frame, mas makikita mo yan. So for example, ito, punta ka ng 15 minutes, mas makikita mo yung retest yung galaw niya. So pwede ka na mag-entry dito. And what will be your profit? Okay? Your price take profit natin. Saan ka magse-set up? So you can use the price range. Okay. Yan ang pinakapanukat ko. Okay. So 70%. And then lalagay mo doon sa pinaka-last candle. And then sa pull siya dito. Yan ang ating magiging target. Okay. Now, kung nakabantay ka naman, ito yung personal na makikita ko, na advice ko. Nakabantay ka naman, pwedeng kasing normally nagbabounce siya sa 50 MA natin. Pagka malapit na sa 50 MA o nandito na siya, pwede ka nang mag-take profit. Or else, pagka nakita mo nang masyado ng mahaba, no? Yung naaalala nyo yung kanina, dumadami na yung mga shadows natin sa ilalim, nagbago na ang trend. Kung makikita nyo, masyadong malaki na yung pagbabago ng trend dito. Sayang din to, you can take your profit already. Okay, so kanina, ano yung sabi natin kanina? Kapag ka maraming mga shadows na up and down at nagbabago na ng trend. So makikita nyo dito, nagbago na tayo ng trend itong area na to. Okay, so you can take profit on this kung nakabantay ka. Pero kung hindi, you can use the measurement that I showed to you a while ago. Or else, you can do a FIV. Okay? So, yung FIV natin, pwede mong gawin yon yung pinaka last point. Okay? Saan yon? Ito, yung pinaka lowest point nito, lowest point. And then yung pinakataas dito. And then take the FIV. Okay, our FIV, you can use your FIV from here to here. And normally, you can take profit on 0.618. Pero dito, sumapol ng 0.786. This is 60%. Normally, 50, 60%, or 78%. It's up to you. Okay? Pero normally ako dito ako sa green. Okay? This is my setting of my FIV. The 0.618. So, yan yung sa FIV naman siya. So, another example, we'll move to another example of rising wedge. Dito rin, ito, isang wedge dito. Okay, yan. Okay, so consider natin na rising wedge siya. Okay, move natin. Ito rin isa, ito, dito muna tayo. So, another rising wedge we have here. So, in this case, late yung 𝗵𝗆 breakout. So, dito tayo mag-e-entry. Hindi tayo mag-e-entry agad dito. Kasi, hanggat hindi pa bumababa sa 𝗵𝗆50, there is a possible that it will bounce in 𝗵𝗆50 and go up. Okay? Because the trend is still uptrend. there is still no confirmation na downtrend tayo. Tandaan nyo, we will have only a confirmation of downtrend if we already crossed the 𝗵𝗵𝗃. Okay, that is the basic of the moving average, especially if you are using this kind of strategy. So first of all, how do you get your take profit from here? Okay, the price. So from here up to here. Okay, so as you can see here, no? Or another option, we can use our PIV from here up to the highest point. And from this, it goes up to 0.886, actually up to 1.6%. Okay, and anyhow, here you can get another signal from that. Okay, so this is a rising wedge. Okay, another rising wedge here. And we can take an entry here. So the 𝗵𝗵𝗃. Okay, so in a summary of this strategy, you just need to use a HeiKen Ashi candles. Plus, you have to look for a rising wedge pattern or falling wedge. Falling wedge, it is also applicable. This is our sample of falling wedge. Okay, and there is a breakout on this area. Breakout on our resistance. Okay, this is a reversal pattern or what we call opposite pattern of the rising wedge. Okay, so we have another example here of our falling wedge. See this one? Okay, this is our falling wedge, and this is the breakout in the resistance and breakout in 𝗵90. Okay, we can check also. We can figure it out also. For example, this one up to this one, as you can see, boom. Okay, on this side. Normally, it will be also here. Okay, so this is the basic support and resistance. You can use it also for your take profit or to set your take profit. Okay, so I hope guys, clear sa inyo ngayon to, yung ating discussion. So in summary, we can use the HeiKen Ashi and then look for a pattern of rising wedge or falling wedge. Then use the 𝗵 breakout for the entry. And by the way, for the stop loss, before I forgot it, stop loss is normally you can set here on the upper portion of the rising wedge or on the upper part of your 𝗵𝗵𝗃, but not, okay, but not on this side, not below your support or resistance otherwise for the falling wedge. Okay, so I hope this is clear guys. Thank you again for watching in Earn Money at Home Worldwide, and wait for another video tutorial. May marami kayong matututunan, and I'll try my best to do more videos, educational videos, especially in trading. Again, thank you again for watching here and Earn Money at Home Worldwide.